Hello DIY fans, this is an unboxing and installation video of the Maschea car LED hood lights. There's so many of these out there from Amazon, from Alibaba, wherever else you want to get them from, but there's so many of these out there. So I want to get these installed in my ML320. What I like about these ones is that they come with some nice goodies. They come with fuse connectors to drop in another fuse, to drop this into a fuse box. I'll show more on that, and obviously they come with the wire for it, and let's see, yeah, here they are, come with instructions. They have double-sided tape, which I always kind of wonder, why do they have double-sided tape? Because which way do I show this? Do I show the tape side or not the tape side? Tear off tape only on one side to be torn. Okay, I guess whatever that means. So this is about 70 inches. I think that's the one I got. I think these are 70 inches. Yeah, based on it's readable. 70 inches. I got these from Amazon, and comes with instructions. You have to hook it up to your ACC so that they'll only turn on when you move your car to position 2 or you have the engine running. You don't want these on all the time. It's kind of likely to do you drain your battery. Anyway, it comes with positive, negative. I guess we could hook it up this way. I think this is what I was thinking of doing this with my ML, is to put it on the top of the hood. But anyway, I will. The ML is kind of weird because you get the grill that comes down like this. I was actually thinking of putting it on the grill as well. So I have a few different options. I need to take a look at that. But let me just test it out to see how it looks and how it lights up. And I'm wondering, if I want to stick it this way, do I leave the light on? Do I leave it on the other side? You know, where's? Oh, I guess the light comes from here, which is cool. Anyway, let's plug it in. I just have my trusty 12 volt Milwaukee 12 volt here, and these wires are kind of thin. They do have an inline fuse built into right here, which I'll use, but these, at least the positive is tinned. And this one goes to the ground wire. It does come with a connector, a ring, to connect this into, connect it to a bolt or a screw in the car for negative. And I think I will end up doing that. Let me just... do it here so there's more light. Anyway, I'm going to stick the negative in the negative. Hopefully it'll stay and not fall apart. And then we'll take the positive and stick it in here and see what happens. Okay, there you go. That was pretty cool. It's pretty bright. Let me shut this off. It's pretty bright. Sorry, it just went off only because my light went off. But I should put some kind of connector on here just to make sure that they stay. And there you go. So I think it is pretty bright. Let me shut this off and try it again. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I guess if you only connect on one side, the other side tape stays on. And, you know, over time it may come off, or, you know, I'm not sure, or maybe over time we could use the other side. But let me see how it looks. It says 70 inches. Is it 70 inches? 70 inches, that's like 6 feet. This does not. Well, maybe it is 6 feet. I'm not that tall, so maybe this is 6 feet. Okay, I'm actually glad that it lights up on the thin side over here. And the only bad part is I have to hold it. Damn it. Okay. There we go. So I like it how it lights up on the thin side, which is what I want. I initially thought that they would light up on one of the other side, but I'm glad this is on the thin side. So as long as the thin side is facing outward, these will work. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Now I need to figure out, I have different options to mount it, so I'll go figure that out, and that's in the next video. Thanks for watching.